The 2025 Keeway K 300 SF is here, and it's making waves in the entry-level sport bike segment. This sleek and aggressive motorcycle brings a fresh design, impressive performance, and a price tag that makes it an attractive choice for new riders and enthusiasts looking for an affordable yet stylish machine. Keeway has stepped up its game with the K300 SF, featuring a sharp, aerodynamic fairing that gives it a premium sport bike look. The dual LED headlights and sculpted bodywork add to its aggressive appeal, making it stand out on the road. The build quality feels solid, with a mix of sharp lines and smooth curves that give the bike a modern, edgy aesthetic. Powering the K300 SF is a 292cc, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers around 27.5 horsepower and 25 Nm of torque. While it may not be the most powerful in its class, it offers a balanced performance that is ideal for city commuting and occasional highway rides. The throttle response is smooth, and the 6-speed gearbox ensures a refined and engaging riding experience. The bike is equipped with electronic fuel injection, ensuring optimal fuel efficiency and consistent power delivery. One of the standout features of the K300 SF is its lightweight chassis and well-balanced ergonomics. Weighing around 165 kilograms, it feels nimble and easy to maneuver, making it a great option for beginners. The riding position is sporty yet comfortable, with clip-on handlebars and slightly rear-set foot pegs that provide an engaging ride without being too aggressive. The split-seat design adds to the sporty appeal while offering decent comfort for both the rider and pillion. Suspension duties are handled by upside-down front forks and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. The setup provides a good balance between comfort and handling, soaking up bumps while keeping the bike stable in corners. Braking is taken care of by disc brakes at both ends, assisted by dual-channel ABS, ensuring confident stopping power in various road conditions. The 17-inch alloy wheels wrapped in grippy tires provide excellent traction and stability, further enhancing the overall riding experience. Technology-wise, the K300 SF comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential information, including speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and trip data. The display is clear and easy to read, even in bright daylight. Keeway has also included some premium touches like a keyless ignition system and a slipper clutch, making it a feature-rich package for its segment. When it comes to competition, the K300 SF goes up against bikes like the KTM RC 390, Yamaha R3, and Honda CBR 500R. While it may not match their outright performance, it offers a compelling blend of affordability, style, and everyday usability. The pricing makes it an appealing option for those looking to step into the world of sport bikes without breaking the bank. Overall, the 2025 Keeway K 300 SF is a well-rounded entry-level sport bike that delivers a mix of style, performance, and practicality. It's an excellent choice for riders who want a sporty yet manageable motorcycle that looks premium and performs well in daily riding conditions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider looking for a budget-friendly fun machine, the K300 SF is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.